Welcome back, everybody. Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. I've got a great one for you today. Standing right in front of the 2023 Keystone Arcadia Super Lite 292SLRL. This fifth wheel comes with a rear living floor plan, and it combines luxury and functionality, all with a modern design. Right when you walk in, you're going to notice these tall ceilings, luxury feel, and vinyl flooring. Right away, you're greeted by a spacious and inviting living area. Stylish and well-appointed furniture provides the perfect place to relax after a long day on the road, and the large panoramic windows let in an abundance of natural light, making this space even more open and airy. Got the theater seating, which is reclining, heating, and massaging, and it's got this awesome wireless charger right in the middle for you. Pull-out sofa forms into a bed which can sleep 2+ people comfortably. This is perfect if you've got kids. Entertainment center with a large flat screen TV, sound system, and fireplace. Now moving over to the kitchen, this one is a chef's dream come true. 292SLRL features a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances, which includes a 3-burner range, oven, microwave, and a residential style fridge. It's also got this large pantry. Even more storage on the island with the sink, and even more storage over here. Instead of a dinette, Keystone opted for the freestanding table on this one. Got these beautiful pendant lights right at the top, and this provides beautiful views out that window when you're eating. Next up, heading into the bathroom. Got the sink, large medicine cabinet with the mirror, linen closet, porcelain foot flush toilet, and a shower with a glass door and the skylight. Now into the bedroom area. This Arcadia offers a private sanctuary where you can rest and recharge. Comfortable queen-size bed provides a great night's sleep, and the strategically placed windows let you wake up to breathtaking views of your surroundings. Plus, plenty of storage for all your essentials, including a wardrobe and overhead cabinets. This one is equipped with the SolarFlex 200 package, which gives you a 200-watt rooftop solar panel, and we took it a step further and we upgraded to get 200 amp hour Dragonfly lithium batteries. These are going to give you 5 times faster charging, 10 times longer life, and 100% depth of discharge. This is going to go perfect with your solar. Stepping outside, the exterior of the Arcadia 292SLRL is just as impressive as its interior. The striking design and attention to detail make this fifth wheel a head-turner wherever you go. Sleek lines, high-quality construction, and modern graphics give it a contemporary and stylish look. On the outside, tandem axle with the Kurt suspension system and aluminum wheels. Plenty of exterior storage as well. Heated pass-through storage. Tons of room in this baby. On each side, storage for one 30-pound LP tank on each. Front storage equipped with the spare tire, battery disconnect, and solar charge controller. Other side looks identical, except right here, got your convenience center and electronic leveling. For the electronic leveling jacks. If you thought that was all for storage, you're wrong. There's another exterior storage compartment on the rear off door side. And on the back side, ladder leads you up to the fully walkable roof and a 2-inch accessory hitch for towing with a 300-pound cap. Lastly, let's talk about some construction. This one is built to last and give you years of enjoyment. The welded aluminum frames make sure it's sturdy and durable, and the laminated sidewalls are going to give you insulation and protection against all the elements. It also comes with a heated and enclosed underbelly that's going to make sure you are warm even when it's cold. Overall, this one is a great option because it's sturdy and durable, and it's going to give you many, many years of use in this one. It's got a great interior with everything you could need, and we got this one on sale, so come check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy camping.